Welcome back to Medical Terminology Made Easy. I'm Dr. E, and this is Episode 1, Prefixes. Every medical word you'll ever meet, from the friendly ones like biopsy to the intimidating ones like electroencephalography, is built from just 3 pieces: a prefix at the beginning, a root in the middle, a suffix at the end. Today, we're focused on that first piece, the prefix, the little chunk at the start of a word that tells you how much, when, where, or which direction. Master roughly 40 prefixes, and I promise you will decode thousands of medical terms without ever memorizing them one by one. Let's take a real example. Hyperthyroidism. It sounds like a mouthful, but watch this. Hyper, that's the prefix, and it means excessive or above normal. Thyroid, that's the root, referring to the thyroid gland in your neck. And ism, the suffix, meaning a condition of. Put it together, and you get a condition of an overactive thyroid gland. See that? You just diagnosed something without a single day of med school. All right, let's roll through the prefixes you actually need to know. I've grouped them by meaning, so they stick. First up, numbers and amounts. Mono and uni both mean one. Think monorail. Think unicycle. One track, one wheel, one meaning. Moving on. Amounts and sizes. Hyper means above or excessive. Hypertension is high blood pressure. Hypo means below or deficient. Hypoglycemia is low blood sugar. Watch that E and O carefully. Hyper for excessive, hypo for low. Macro and mega mean large. A megacolon is exactly what it sounds like. Micro means small. That's your microscope. And olig or oligo means few or scanty. Oliguria is not enough urine output. One more sizing group. Pan means all. A pandemic affects everyone. Super and ultra mean beyond or excessive. Super infection, ultrasound. Iso means equal. An isotonic solution has equal concentration. Hetero means different. Heterogeneous means made of different parts. And homo means same. Homogeneous means uniform throughout. Now to my favorite section, colors. These are gorgeous because they show up all over hematology and dermatology. Erythro means red. An erythrocyte is a red blood cell. Leuko or leuko means white. A leukocyte is a white blood cell. Melano means black or dark. Melanocyte is a dark skin cancer. Cyano means blue. When a patient's fingertips or lips turn blue from lack of oxygen, that is cyanosis. Chloro means green. A chloroma is a rare green-tinged tumor. More colors. Xantho means yellow. Xanthoma, a yellow fatty deposit under the skin. Polio means gray. Poliomyelitis attacks gray matter in the spinal cord. Rube or rubeo means red or reddish. Rubella is the German measles rash. And albino means white. Albinism is the absence of pigment. Onward to time and speed. Ante and pre both mean before. Antepartum is before delivery. Preoperative is before surgery. Post means after. Postpartum, post-op. Brady means slow. Bradycardia is a slow heart rate. Tachy means fast. Tachycardia, a fast heart rate. Neo means new. A neonate is a newborn. Chron or chrono refers to time. Chronic conditions persist over time. Quick memory trick. Brady is barely moving. Tachy is turbo. B for barely, T for turbo. Now, position. Above, below, right, and left. Supra and super mean above. Suprapubic means above the pubic bone. Infra and sub mean below. Infraorbital is below the eye socket. Subcutaneous is below the skin. Dextro means right. Dextrocardia is the rare condition where the heart sits on the right side of the chest. Sinistro means left. Sinistro manual means left-handed.
Let's see position in action. Watch as the arrow slides supra, upward, from the pubis toward the abdomen, then infra, downward, from the eye toward the cheek. And here's dextrocardia, the heart mirrored to the right side of the chest. Next, position, front, back, and around. Ante and antero mean front, anterior. Post and posterior mean back, posterior. Retro means behind. The retroperitoneal space sits behind the peritoneum. Circum and peri mean around. A circumcision goes around, and the pericardium is the sac wrapping around the heart. Peri means around. Next up, movement. In, out, away, toward, and through. Endo and intra mean inside. Endoscopy looks inside. Intravenous means inside the vein. Ecto, exo, and extra all mean outside. An ectopic pregnancy is outside the uterus. Ab means away from. Abduction moves a limb away from the body. Adduction brings it back. Trans and dia mean through or across. Transdermal patches deliver medicine through the skin. Watch the arm move. Away from the body is abduction. Back toward the body is adduction. And here's a molecule crossing through the skin layers. That's transdermal in action. Memory trick. AB is by, moving away. AD is added to the body, moving toward. Last section. Position again. Midline, lateral, between, same and opposite. Medi and medio mean middle or midline. The median line splits the body left and right. Later and latero means side. Lateral means toward the side. Juxta and para mean near or beside. Juxta-articular is near a joint. Paranasal sinuses sit beside the nose. Inter means between. Intercostal muscles run between the ribs. Bi and ambi mean both. Ambidextrous means using both hands equally. Ipsi means same side, ipsilateral, and contra means opposite, contralateral. If pain is ipsilateral, it's on the same side as the injury. If it's contralateral, it's on the opposite side. Look at the body. The gold midline runs top to bottom, splitting left from right. Lateral arrows extend outward on both sides. And here's between two ribs, that's where the intercostal muscles live. Lightning round. What does hyper mean? Excessive. What does Brady mean? Slow. What does contra mean? Opposite. If you got those three, you've already got the biggest wins of this entire episode. That's prefixes. Next episode, we'll dive into root words, the middle piece of every medical term and the part that tells you which body system we're talking about. If this helped, hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you in the next lesson. This is Dr. E with Everything Egleston.